Since the year 2018, the research label Compolytics stands for Composite Polymer Analytics, and it investigates how plastics can be used more sustainably in products. For this purpose, market studies are regularly carried out that derive strategic concepts for an effective plastics transition in industry and society. Latest studies can make a further contribution to the state of research, and Compolytics now presents its newest peer-review paper under the following title: How Environmental Goals Influence Consumer Willingness to Pay for a Plastic Tax. A discrete choice analytical study. This study conducted a survey among German consumers. The question was whether and how much they would renounce their income in order to regulate environmental damage from their consumption. Such a direct plastic tax has been under discussion in the EU for a while. Get more information about the paper content from the abstract now. Damage from petrochemical plastics is not only a problem for the environment, but also for human health. Damage reduction is often based on consumption avoidance by making harmful products more expensive, for example through emission taxes imposed to producers. This rather regulates future damage. A consumption-independent tax for citizens, on the other hand, is rare, but could be used to remedy past environmental damage. Whether and how high such a private income tax should be and what regulatory objectives it should pursue, was investigated in a quasi-experimental study of 456 German households. The majority of 73%, especially women and younger people, accepted the tax, and this was initially independent of environmental awareness and own plastic avoidance efforts. Only 20% of respondents would initially favor higher taxes to be used for oil resource preservation, followed by 30% for damage control to humans only, and this was positively associated with environmental awareness. At 37%, most people wanted to remedy damages to human and eco-capital simultaneously, which also generated the maximum tax revenues at 13% rate. Consequently, an effective tax should increasingly consider social factors of the taxed, and announce for what revenues are used. This achieves maximum acceptance for better protection of environmental and human capital. The results can guide the design of a future EU plastic tax. This article is published in the Springer journal named Environment Development and Sustainability, Volume 24, issued June 2022, and the author is Dr. Daniel Friedrich.